Lawrence Neal here from highintensitybusiness.com. Hope you're well. So right now it's very important clearly to focus on retaining your clients, focus on trying to drive revenue, and also to make sure that when you do reopen that you do recover strong. So this is something I actually saw someone do in the fitness business consultancy space. They called it a crisis kit. And this was a crisis kit to help business owners. But what I'm telling you is to create a crisis kit to help your clients. So a lot of them obviously are stuck at home. So you've got to think about what are the things they need, what are the solutions they need for problems they have right now. So one of the things you could provide is a list of books that could be really useful. You know, a lot of people having doubts, depression, negative thoughts, and they need to have their mindset cultivated in a positive way. So you might want to send them recommendations like Obstacle is the Way by Ryan Holiday, or Man's Search for Meaning by Viktor Frankl, books that are just incredibly empowering about how to get through hardships, how to overcome obstacles during challenging times like this. You might also want to consider healthy recipes, helping people maintain good health and achieve their health goals from home, so they don't fall off the wagon, start eating crap food. You might want to provide some kind of evidence-based productive exercise regimes that don't require much equipment, that people can carry out in the comfort of their own home. And you might also want to provide some kind of stress management solutions, maybe some meditation protocols. But you see where I'm getting at. You just want to create a list of things, resources. You don't have to create everything. You could link to someone else's resource or product, or you could put your own PDFs, your own resources, your own videos, content in there as well. But what you want to do is create a whole list of resources that become a crisis kit to really add as much value to your clients whilst they're stuck at home, trying to stay healthy, trying to stay productive, trying to be happy. And obviously you can then leverage this crisis kit to actually generate leads for your high intensity training business, so that you can give it away as some kind of content upgrade or lead magnet, collect their email, so that when you do reopen, you can then promote your reopening, your services to that list of new prospects. This is Lawrence and you are watching High Intensity Business.